I'm
This
ready, sir.
conference will now be recorded.
I am ready, sir.
Please go ahead. Open your EC2 instance.
Yeah.
Still your server's running. So just a minute. Give me control. Here your to delete this. The servers will be deleted. You want to delete?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Delete. First. You can delete it. Created manually. You can delete. Yeah. So log into Git server. So we are talking about branching, right? So as I told guys, there will be different branches available based on the environment. Okay, na? In your project, we may have development, testing, production. So compulsory, we have those branches. And for day-to-day development, we use future branches. Okay, so in future branch only, developer will commit the new codes. And once future is fully completed, okay, na? So they will merge the code with development branch. Then it will go to testing branch. Then it will go to production branch, like that. So that is the order. Sudo space -a. Git branch -a will show you where are you. Have you done any changes after after I created and I did something, right? Do you
No,
have
sir.
any changes?
No,
Okay.
sir. No, sir.
So now git checkout. So git checkout command is to switch from one branch to another branch, guys.
Check out spelling.
Okay. So I'm in development branch now. So see, I'm in development branch. Okay, if I do any changes, now it will go to development. And here, guys, as I told, always I have to do git pull. First, it doesn't matter. Okay, now when when before doing any changes, compulsory I should do git pull. Okay, na? That's a mandatory thing because I don't know, maybe my developer, other developers committed something into the central repository, right? I should get those changes. Always, every time I have to do git pull, not one time. Before I do any commits, I will do git pull. So that my local repository, my working directory will be up to date. Okay. So, but you're in development branch, right? First time git pull won't work out. Only for main branch, normal git push and git pull will work directly. But if it is other branch, git pull or git push won't work out. First, there is some like upstream you have to set. I think for this already we did yesterday, right? If you remember yesterday we did upstream that command. So git pull is working. Otherwise, I have to use git pull origin dev. Okay, now. Okay, so git pull up, it's up to date. Generally, as I told, even development branch we don't work directly. We have to create future branch. Maybe, for example, in chatting, I want to add some additional functionality. So for that purpose, I'll create future. Okay. Now git push origin. Git checkout. You're in future branch now. Okay, in future only we do our changes. Can you do multiple commits here? Just to create one file, then commit, then again create one more file, then commit, again create one more file, then commit, like that. Do 3 times commits. Can you create 17 files? The example guys, as I told, always we do changes in future branch only. Here only we don't touch the development, testing, production directly. Avinash, go ahead.
Sir,
Can you create file 17? Multiple, like based on my requirement, I can do whatever the changes I need. Assume that touch space file 17. Hmm. Next, git space add space dot. Git space add space dot. What it does? Okay, it will add the changes into staging area. That git folder is there, right? No, not completed. Git commit -m git space commit space -m space. So you need more practice, bro. -m space double quotes open and close. Double quotes open and close. Double quotes. Commit message. Anything. Just added file 17. Fast. Make it fast, Avinash. Making very slow. Added file 17. Enter. Okay, next git push. First time directly git push won't work out. This is new branch, right? Git space push. Git space push. It won't work out first time. Git space push. Okay, but it's a new branch, right? First time I have to do what should I do? This one. Then only it will work. Can you please copy paste this line? This entire line.
that's it.
Yeah, enter. Okay. Yeah, next again do git sorry, touch command, touch 18. Again same git add, git commit, git push. git add command. Already if I created 18 file. So this time onwards, complete command not ready. Just git push is enough. Okay. Now file 19. So multiple commits I'm doing, guys. Okay, na. So like this every day, I'll do changes to my future branch only. Actually, everybody mute yourself, guys. Avinash mute చేయండి బాగా disturbance వస్తుంది. Okay. So assume that developer, this is charting related repository. So there in already charting there, but additionally I'm adding some new functionality like adding sticker facility. For that purpose I'm writing code. So I written multiple times multiple code. How I will come to know that that code is correct, so syntax correct, I'm getting the functionality. Actually in the background there will be some set of tasks done by application team, database team, developer. So every time when you written some code here, actually there are some certain actions should be required. Then only I will come to know that, right? Whether the syntax correct, I'm getting the functionality, what I'm expecting. So the code is, I mean, with quality and all. So for that purpose, actually later we integrated we'll integrate Jenkins, guys. Okay, now instead of doing manually, we'll try to automate that. So that is next part. Okay, assume that now future is fully completed. Now I'm able to access my like that chatting, that sticker facility is working in development in temporary environment. Okay, na? Now I'm ready to verify in development server. So in development server, I need this latest code. Okay, how to do that? So here I did multiple commits now. Can you please open GitHub? So in future branch, I have multiple commits. So assume that my code is working now. It's a working code now. Okay, na? So now I want to merge it with development branch, guys. So working code only will merge with the development branch, not every time. Okay, so here make sure that the base branch should be dev. Okay, and this should be, see the arrow mark, future to dev. Okay, good. You can give your, so developer will give suggest like comments here. Comments here. Okay, what is this? Why this commit and merging and all? Create pull request. Okay, so now like generally we will inform to our manager or team lead. So team lead will log into the same repository. So because we will provide the access, I will show you how to provide access. Okay, so then once he log into the same repository, here pull request option will be there. You will get like this. Open this. Here he can review what happened actually, what are the things he changed, how many commits he did in this future branch. Okay, now all these things he can verify. Okay, he will review. Now if everything is okay, okay, now he can merge. See, it's merged. Now development also same will say have the same code. See, development also has same code now, everything. Now future development, everything. Now from here we will deploy the code into, we'll create an application and deploy the code into development server, guys. Okay, now so day-to-day code we develop in future, that we have some temporary environment. Okay, now so we have stable development environment. So there we deploy this application. We have some commands, certain commands. Okay, now so later Jenkins will be added. That time I will show you. So now in development, so they will verify, because like it's not like one or two times. They'll keep on sending mails. Okay, now from different mobiles. So they'll test it how it is working and all. They'll verify. If that is also working fine, again they will create a pull request. So guys, Git pull is different. Git pull request is different, guys. Okay, now this is Git pull request. Git pull means getting changes from central to local, central to working directory. Git pull request means merging two branches. Now development to testing. If see the order, guys. We should follow the order. Okay, again here, if so you can give comments, create pull request. Okay, now same again. If you go to charting functional repository, pull request. Okay, development here. So if they will review the things. If everything goes well, merge pull request. Okay. Now it will go to testing branch. Testing branch has the same code now. Now we have testing job, testing related, like will deploy into testing server. There your tester will give some sort of testing related things. So we'll test quality, next functionality checks, security checks, those kind of comments they will give. So testing completed. Okay, like this, guys, like testing done. If everything goes well, then we'll merge with production. The backend work I'm not showing here. The backend work, as I told Jenkins, that is the next topic, guys. Production. Okay, test to production. Okay, like this. Now with that production code, guys, we'll create what I can say, tags, release tag. Create new release tag. From where? Production branch. Okay, so this is to like later also, if any reason my new version not working, we can revert back to old versions, because every time our production branch will be changed, right? So because example, now I merged the code, now I have latest code. So with this working code, I will create a release tag, means I'll create a bundle. Tag is nothing but bundle, guys. With the current code, I'll create a bundle zip file. Okay, because later I don't get this again, because again next version I'll get new code, right? So if I need old version, so it will be problem if I don't again I have to like revert back something and all. Instead of that, if I have a bundle, I can directly use this bundle. Okay, release tag. Maybe example, if you see your WhatsApp version, so something like this will be there, 01, 02. You can see that versions in your applications. Okay, from production. So whatever the code I have in production now, with I'm creating one bundle now. You can provide what is this version, what is there in this release and all, you can provide. Okay. So then in production we have data, right? Okay. Create release tag from production. Oh, okay, okay. Create the release tag query. Make sure that you have a valid tag. Okay, then maybe first we'll create a tag. Okay, we'll do it in command line first. So where are you? Git branch hyphen a git checkout. Okay, now do git pull because I don't have latest changes here. Yes or no? I don't have latest changes. I merged centrally, right? That changes I don't have here. Yeah, now I get everything. It's up to date. Now create a tag from command line git tag v101 something, whatever the tag you need. Okay, now git push. Okay, so now I have a tag. Now go to tag, okay, releases. Now I'm going to release it, guys. I'm going to release now. Create new release from production. Choose a tag. Okay, so give the same name. Yeah. So I created one bundle now. Okay, now this will be available always, guys. Even now my production code changed also because every time for every version the production code is adding. Right, I don't get the old data again until unless I revert by using git reset or some revert command. So instead of that, simple, I'll create a tag now. So this tag every time, at any point of time, it is available. Just zip file, guys. Tagging is nothing but with the current code, whatever the code I have now. Okay, now in production branch. Okay, so with all this, I created a zip file. I created a bundle. So I given one name that is called as release tag because with production I'm giving the I'm creating the tag that is called as release tag, guys. Okay, now so release tag means ready to release. So this product. Okay, now this bundle I can deploy into production. This code, this whatever the production code I have, right? That part we'll see in Jenkins how to deploy and all. So right now just writing code, and once the like a validation completed, merging code. That's it. This is what we did till now. Okay, now so production branch, see, now everything ready. Now if production is working fine, then we'll merge the code with main branch, guys. Only working code will be available always in main, guys. Now compare production to main. Actually, we don't do all these things, guys. Just I'm showing you the process. ఇదంతా మనం చేయం. So everything will be done by your application team, data, so those developer and testers. It's not my work. Okay, so I'm just showing the process, how the flow will be. That's it. Now every branch has the same. Now example, in chatting there is no one more functionality, maybe stickers related completed. So I can delete the future branch, guys. This future branch is for sticker branch, right? Sticker. So my work, my code is everything working. So I can delete this branch, or else I can continue with the same branch for new functionality again. Same routine flow again. First we do product future, then after development, then testing, then production, from there master. This is a continuous process, guys. And finally with production, we'll create a release tag. Because every time the code is getting changed, right? For next version, you will get new version in production. So to make it available, that working code, we are creating a tag. We are creating a version bundle. Tag is nothing but bundle. With current code, I'm creating one bundle. అంటే ఆ ఫైల్స్ మొత్తాన్ని కలిపి ఒక జిప్ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నా ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ ఉన్న కంటెంట్ తో. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ట్యాగ్. Release tag means ready to release. There nothing to update as of now. Okay, na? This is how we work on Git, guys. There are how to provide access. As I told, guys, the same repository will be access. So what is our work means? Creating repository our work only. Okay, then providing access also our work only. So how to provide access? We'll go to settings. Okay, create team, maybe development team. Here you can add the people. Like someone, can you please give me your ID? Anybody?
Kishore, Kishore, devops 6069 @gmail.com.
Okay. No, it's not showing.
It's not sure.
Just a minute. Let me give my name. So now I will get invitation, mail invitation. Okay, now once I approve it, now onwards I can access, I can have like, oh, so sorry, it's not yet completed. Once I approve it, I can go back to, actually I haven't given any access, just I created team. Go to your organization again. Go to settings. Now I have to give access. Add people. Add teams. So example development team. Okay, na? For development team, what type of access you want to give? The admin means generally we will give it for DevOps admin. So we have the other developers, right? Other DevOps admin, right? For them, full access to the project. Okay. Maintain means recommended for project managers. See, who need to manage the repository without access to. So వాళ్ళ code access ఉండదు, only like reviews చేయడానికి. Okay, just మేనేజ్ చేయొచ్చు వాళ్ళు, ఇష్యూస్ అవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా. సో నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ contributors, they can add new code. Okay, so read means generally public means anybody can read, guys, but if it is private repository, we have to, maybe you want to give only read access for few members, so not write access. I mean, they can clone it, but they cannot push the changes. Okay, na? Again, triac recommended for contributors who need to manage the issues and pull requests without write access. Write access undadu, but they can create a pull request. They can manage the issues. Means this one, guys. Example, let's take this one. Now I can write. I have the write access now. I'm part of development, right? Now I have write access to this repository once I approve it. Okay, na. So now onwards I can modify this. So if this URL, if I take, okay, na, so I can log in and I can modify the things because I have write access now. Okay, na. So like this, different teams I will create: development team, tester team, admin. Whoever need access, I'll create that many team and I will provide the access to them, and they can manage the repository now. So guys, issues means here you can start conversations. One topic you can start, okay, na, and you can discuss. It's kind of forum, guys, related to this chatting related code. Okay, na, you can start conversations. Let me show you how it will be. Example, Docker file examples. The sample I'm showing. Like this. So some conversations we can start. Maybe some issue. So discussions anamata dintlo. For tracking purpose, we are doing like this. Okay, now one issue arise. What is that issue? Oh, what happened? How we resolved? Okay, na? So we can start forum like this. This is how issues will be, guys. See how many issues. Whoever has access to this, they can write their review, their maybe what I can say, their experience in that. So who did what he did to resolve that issue, why it happened. So those kind of conversations we can run related to that issues. Okay, na? So that is what issues. Actions is similar to Jenkins, guys. In Jenkins, we are doing that is next part. Okay, na, like creating pipelines and all. So recently they started actions. So here also we no need Jenkins actually. Directly here also, even I don't have experience with this. Okay, so actions is similar to that. Maybe once you gone through the Jenkins, you can understand this. Okay, now what is actions? Right now you cannot understand. So this is how we'll create Jenkins. Sorry, we'll create a Git repository with different branches and provide access to the different teams. So based and as I told, there is a flow branching strategy like future branch, development, testing, production, master. So always developer commit the code into future branch only. From there, it will go to development. If development is also successful, it will go to testing, then production. If production is working successfully means, okay, so it will go to master. So then future branch will, you can delete or maybe you can continue the same future branch for new code also. Okay, now that is how GitHub. So our work will be very minimal here. What is that? Creating repository, creating branches. They will actually, guys, how they will give the request mean there are some tools, we call them as ticketing tool. So example, you have some mobile application, Airtel application. Okay, now if you see there, you can submit ticket, right? So same concept, there will be tool called Service Now, Remedy. These are the ticketing tools. Okay, now so there you will get option to create a new ticket, and you can provide the description of the issue, and maybe example you want to create a new future, so you will ask us create a new future branch with this name, and they will give full details in which repository they have to create, why they are creating, and to which team they want to assign. So guys, every team has a group name, okay, in service now, like devops team, developers. So developers will assign the ticket to devops team. Now if I open service now from my end, I can see that ticket in my queue, my team queue. So I will assign myself. Then I will work on it. I'll create a future branch and I will inform them. Okay, na? Then I'll create the access. I'll provide the access to the repositories. Then what I can say. So that's it, guys. This is how like again integrating with Jenkins. So these are our jobs in Git. But we also can store our data, like example, you develop some shell scripts, Ansible playbooks, Docker files, Kubernetes manifest files. So those also you can store. Those are like whoever does not cover those topics, you will come to know, guys, what is Docker file, what is Kubernetes manifest file. In that topic you can come to know that. So those also we can store here, but we don't do regular changes, right? Like developer, we also use our own repositories to maintain our shell scripts and all, but it's not our regular work. We don't do like that much extensively. We don't use like developer. Okay. So next, Git conflicts. Actually, one more thing, guys. There are some documents also available for Git. If you go to help, okay, here you can search so many things, so many related. Example, I'll show you one thing. Actually, guys, we can access GitHub in different ways. Our repository. See, what I showed is this method, HTTP, git clone, and this URL. But there is one more method also, like SSH. By using SSH also, from Linux, by using SSH also, I can access. Okay, na? So how to do that? Here itself, you have the suggestion. But again, if you need more information, okay, now if you go to help, authentication, you can search also. Example SSH, connecting to GitHub with SSH. You'll get the document, guys. You have to follow this to make it available. So you have good knowledge documents, guys, knowledge base documents. Okay, now in your GitHub. Just for your information, I'm telling you. There are so many things, anything. Example, pull request related document you need. Okay, now so multiple options you have. If required, you can use these documents. just for your information. Okay, so next, merge conflicts. Okay, what is merge conflicts? Can you please, it seems inactive. Okay, what is merge conflicts? Should I open it? Example, we have multiple developers. Okay, na? Not one developer. Multiple developers we have. Like maybe assume that this is my home directory. There I cloned my. So I'm working on it. So somehow one more developer is also there. He is also working on the same branch. Okay, where are you now? Git branch production. Let's switch to future again. Okay, so I'm in future branch now. So we have multiple developers. Is it up to date? Yeah, it's up to date now. Okay, it's up to date. Always we have to do git pull, guys. That is the best practice. Okay, now because if any changes available in central, that will be available locally also in working directory. Then after I'll do my change. So what is git conflict now? Assume that I'm one developer and one more developer also there. He also did commits, doing commits in the same branch. But unfortunately, some maybe like miscommunication. Okay, now I did some changes in my local. Example, I created file 19. File 19 already there, right? Okay, that's fine. I'm doing some change. Okay, na? So here, even he in so as I told, one of the developer he did changes to same file by mistake India something miscommunication file 19. So as of now, I'm directly editing, but assume that someone pushed changes. Okay, from his local repository. So to the same file, he did commit. Actually, I don't have this change in my local working directory because someone else pushed this change, right? So if I do git pull, okay, already I did git pull. I don't know that someone pushed it. So now let me do git add dot git commit -m added data to file 19. Okay, then git push. So now I'm pushing. But if you see, already in central, I have file 19 with some other data. It will throw an error now. See, it's saying that, see, something is there in central, you don't have locally. Okay, na? So first do git pull, it's asking. So I will do git pull. Still I got error. See, merge conflicts. So it's clearly showing you on what files you have merge conflicts. Now I have to open the file. If any time if you get merge conflicts, this is the file actually. So both the changes it will show you, that already available central changes and my local changes. Just a minute. Sorry guys. So here now I got both the changes. My local changes also there, my central changes also there. Okay na? Now what I do as a developer, I will talk to other developer. So what exactly I need, I will keep it, and remaining all I will delete. Okay na? So both the changes I will review here. So what exactly, which lines I need, which changes I don't need, I'll talk to him. Okay, now so maybe my changes or his changes, both I will review and I will save the file. Now I will get push again. So first, no, not so. Third, solved conflicts. Yeah, actually, why you are getting this error mean? So I forgot to say this. Actually, you are with root right now, but in GitHub, like if you see, you are using some other credentials. So here, what we can do, like it's asking to like use your own author detail. Just a minute, let me show you. So here, can you please copy paste this? Actually, this is beginning itself I have to do, not now, but I forgot to say this. Yeah, edit, enter, provide your what is your name? Avinash. Can you give your mail address? Wait. Yeah, yeah, resolve conflicts. Now git push. Yeah, that's it. So this is how we resolve our issues, guys. Actually, this is not part of resolving issue. This is just to set your author. Okay, beginning itself I have to do that. So see, now onwards I'll get author as Avinash. See, till now I got author as root user because Linux user different, Git user different, right? So it should you should get Avinash actually. So you have to set like this. Okay, now this is how we resolve the Git conflicts, guys. Okay, so this is interview question. So guys, generally they ask different things like what is the difference between pull and fetch? Okay, already I told you. What is Git conflicts? What is branching strategy? Okay, so next, what is the difference between clone and pull and push? Okay, what is Git cherry pick? So cherry pick I did not say, right? So maybe tomorrow I will show you that, guys. So there is one more git merge command and git cherry pick. Both commands tomorrow I will show you. Then we start Jenkins in tomorrow class. Okay. So this is how like we use GitHub, guys. So there are some other competitors also, but most commands are same everywhere. Okay. So we'll see tomorrow then remaining.
Amar, 1 minute.
Yes.
You said uh, while doing the working on conflict, right? So you have opened that file and you have verified like what needs to be there, and you have saved it. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
So by doing that, it will resolve the issue, or like.
Yes. So here what happened when I open once I do git pull and all, I'll get both the changes now, central changes and local changes in that file. Right. As a developer, I know that what should be there in that file. Yes or no?
Yes.
I will keep whatever I need and I will save it. So issue resolved only, right? Now I push latest changes now.
But if you are doing like that, that doesn't affect the other developer.
That's what I will talk to him. Before I
Oh,
push to central, I will talk to him. What you did, what I did. That is what I'm keeping, right? I will talk to him and I'll make him understand this is what I did, this is what you did. So what changes we need exactly? We both work for same team now, right?
Okay. Fine.
Same
Fine.
functionality purpose you are developing. So we'll discuss about that. So based on our understanding, we'll keep what we need. What not? It's not like what I need. What we need, I will keep it there. Yes or
Understood.
no?
Yeah, got it.
Then I will push the changes to central.
Correct.
Now I will
Got-
have latest changes only.
Yeah.
Okay?
For
Yeah,
we both, I mean, both the developers, we will be on the same page now.
exactly. You're right.
Okay. And regarding the Git strategy, so when they ask, right, we need to
We'll
say like,
discuss in tomorrow class.
I mean, Git
Okay, ask
strategy.
me. Wait. Ask me in tomorrow class. Okay, na?
Sure, Amar. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Remind me without fail.
Okay, Amar.
We'll
Thank you.
discuss.
Bye.
Yeah.